Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use CapCut smooth slide transition. Let's start. At first you have to open the CapCut app. In here tap on new project. Now add the videos on your timeline. Tap on one of your video and then make a duplicate. And now scroll like this, then you guys will find out overlay option. Tap on here, then you guys will find out the other video as your overlay, and then position the video like this, and now crop it and do the same thing for the other video also. Just tap on the video and scroll like this, you guys will find out double option. Tap on it and then put it here by tapping on overlay. Now let's crop it like this, and in here let's add animation. Tap on animation and then scroll like this, you guys will find out this animation called fall left. And on the other video you have to use fall right animation. For this, tap on the other video and then tap on animation. Here tap on fall right, then you guys will find out a smooth transition. And now let's crop it to adjust with the video. And here this effect is incomplete without adding a transition. For this, go to the transition and then tap on here. Here select slide transition and tap on the transition. Now you guys can adjust the time. After this, tap on the check mark and then you guys will find out a smooth slide transition. So this is how you guys can get CapCut smooth slide transition. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.